Video lag in a residential surveillance system. The SI drove 200 kilometers to check. It was caused by wireless interference. Changing the channel fixed the problem. But it took time, effort, and a long trip. So how can such issues be managed better? The Spectrum Scan function in the Ruijie Cloud solves this problem. You can access it via the cloud. No need to go on-site. Next, we'll show how to use this function. Select one bridge. Go to the configuration page. Choose the Spectrum Scan function. Click the Spectrum Scan button, click Confirm. The channel scan results will appear. Use this function remotely to check and switch channels.
Cloud, make your business easy.